और स्टार्ट हो गया। गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। So in my last lecture or the previous lecture, we were discussing about the mole concept. What was mole concept? The scientist who first of all discovered the mole concept, it was introduced by the William Ostwald in 1896, but it was accepted in the year 1967. Now the word mole, what does the word mole means? Mole का मतलब होता है a heap. Heap means pile. Pile means a group of the things. Like we are talking a dozen of the banana. Yesterday I have given you example, no? A dozen of banana, एक दर्जन केला. You can say a dozen of the marble, a dozen of the watermelon. These all are the example of, you can say, a heap or the pile. Now since the particles of the molecules or the atom, they are very small, and when the particles of the atom or the molecules, or you can say ion, they are very small, it is very difficult to count the number of particles present in the single atom or single molecule, or you can say single ion. चाहे सिंगल आयन में कह लें, चाहे सिंगल एटम में कह लें, चाहे सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल में कह लें, ये बहुत ही मुश्किल है कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल हम काउंट कर लें। जैसे हमें पता है कि वाटर H2O इसका फॉर्मूला है, मगर H2O के अंदर कितने पार्टिकल हैं, दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से अबाउट इट. सो द केमिस्ट डेवलप a unit that is known as the mole, you can say mole concept, and it is, you can say, calculated value, whose value is, which is known as Avogadro constant. In the regard of the one of the scientists, what was the name of the scientist? Nana. Who was the scientist on which Avogadro name was given? Amedeo Avogadro. So Avogadro number is equal to mole concept. Avogadro number is equal to mole. ये मोल के बराबर होता है. And this value is, you can say, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now here one thing common is there. What is the common here? For any atom, the number of particle or the number of particle is the same. For the number of, you can say, ions, the number of particle is the same. For a molecule also, the number of particle is the same. Although the mass of the particle or the mass of the ion, or you can say mass of the molecule or compound, it varies. Just see, if we can take the example of 1 mole of hydrogen atom. Here we are talking about hydrogen atom. How many particles will be there? Particles. How many particles will be there? That will be Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What will be the mass of the hydrogen? Mass 1. It is approximately 1.008, but we take it approximately 1. Got it? Now we can talk here about 1 mole, same 1 mole of H2. Sorry, चलिए N2 देखिए. N2, that means nitrogen molecule, not the atom, it is molecule. Then here the number of particle will be same, 6.022 is the Avogadro number into 10 to the power 23, and you can say the mass will be What is the mass of nitrogen? 14. And here is the 2 nitrogen atom in single molecule. So what will be the mass? 28. Now one changes come here, that instead of using U, which is earlier used for the unified mass, we have to use here G. What we have to use? G. G means gram. Got it? Now, if we take an example of a compound, 1 mole of H2O, we can say the number will be same or the constant. And what will be the mass? 18 what? Unit say unit G, correct. 18 G. Now, by looking all these three, we can easily say that there is a relationship between the number of particle and the mass of the particle. जो मास होता है और इसके अलावा जो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल होते हैं, इन दोनों के बीच में रिलेशनशिप होता है. एंड मैथमेटिकली विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज रिलेशनशिप वी कैन कैलकुलेट वेरियस थिंग. इफ यू आर नोइंग द मोलर मास of a compound and you can say given mass, then we can calculate the number of moles. हम क्या कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? ये नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कि कितना मोल होगा. और अगर हमें ये पता है कि कुल मिलाकर के आपका गिवन मास पता है, मोलर मास पता है और साथ में एवोगैड्रो नंबर पता है, तो हम नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल पता कर सकते हैं कि आपका नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल कितने होंगे. जैसे 2 मॉलिक्यूल आपने वाटर पिया, 2 मॉलिक्यूल आपने वाटर पिया, तो 2 मॉलिक्यूल का मतलब क्या हुआ? 2 इंटू 1 मोल के अंदर, सॉरी 2 मोल्स ऑफ वाटर. अगर 2 मोल आपने वाटर पिया है तो इसका मतलब 2 इंटू 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23, यानी कि ये आपका कितना हो जाएगा? 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. इतने पार्टिकल it will reach in your body. Have you got it? Any doubt? जरा इन लोग को एक बार खोल लो. यहीं रहना, फिर बंद करने के लिए गाना बजाना शुरू करेंगे. हेलो स्टूडेंट, शांति से.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Explain once again.
Have you understood?
मास और सर ये यू होता है, जी क्यों लिख रहे हैं?
सर एक बार और
Write it. Okay, I will tell you again.
वाई सर यू की जगह हम जी क्यों लिख रहे हैं?
यू के जगह जी क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Why you are writing? We are writing instead of U, we are writing G. U is unified mass. U is unified mass that we were using while calculating the molecular mass or formula. Formula unit. Yes, sir. When we were calculating the molecular mass or formula unit mass,
यूनिफाइड मास
U.
सर मोल कॉन्सेप्ट का डिफिनेशन बता दीजिए सर.
Mole
सर मोल
concept.
कॉन्सेप्ट
Mole concept was a
सर
assumption.
एक बार और समझा दीजिए, एक बार
Yes,
और
sir.
समझा दीजिए सर.
एक बार और समझा दीजिए पूरा इस से समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, then keep quiet.
Yes.
I will
Yes, sir.
give you one time mole concept. The mole concept was, you can say, very earlier it was calculated by the chemist, because the problem was that we were knowing the reaction of the atom with the help of their, you can say, molecular mass, or we can say with the help of, by taking their mass. Like
And how we find the value of 1 mole?
may I rub it? Upper one? Upper one. जहाँ बोलना रहता बोलते नहीं यार.
यस सर, मिटा दीजिए.
हाँ, just see, if you take 2H2 plus O2 gives you 2H2. Two information you get from this equation. One information is that when two molecules of hydrogen react with one molecule of oxygen, it forms two molecules of water. So we can describe any chemical reaction in the terms of their molecule. Have you got it? किसी भी रिएक्शन को अगर हम डिफाइन करें तो इसके मॉलिक्यूल के रूप में बता सकते हैं कि कितने मॉलिक्यूल के साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं और कितना मॉलिक्यूल प्रोडक्ट बनता है. एनीबॉडी हैव डाउट? दूसरे शब्दों में कहें तो दूसरे शब्दों में अगर जाएं तो मास के टर्म में भी इसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. 2s2 मतलब हाउ मेनी मास? 4 यूनिट. 4 unit. What will be the mass of oxygen? 16. Then there is 16 into 2. That means
32.
32 unit. Correct? Gives you, what will be the total sum?
36 unit.
36 unit. So you can define any chemical reaction in two terms. First of all, in the terms of the number of molecules taking part in the reaction and the product, you can say number of product formed. And the second way is how much mass you are taking and how much you are getting the resultant. Resultant आपको क्या मिलता है? But the chemist want to know the number of particle, that how many number of particle take place in a reaction. Have you got it? That was a challenging toward the in the field of the chemistry. So you can say there was the discovery or the calculation of one number that is known as Avogadro number, and that Avogadro number is known as mole concept. Have you got it? Because that Avogadro number correlate, you can say with the, you can say mass of the ions, mass of the atom or mass of the compound, and mass of the either atom, mass of the ion or mass of the, you can say they are all equal to the Avogadro number, or you can say they are all equal to the mole concept, as I have written in the last 3 ones. I have written, no, giving the example hydrogen, H2, then 1 mole of N2, sorry, nitrogen, and the third one about the water. Have you got it? What is mole concept? Later on, in the, you can say year 1896, the term, it was discovered by William Ostwald, and it was 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It was known as the mole constant. And this mole constant was, you can say, verified in the year 1967. Now the main thing is that there is no to bother about these all things. We have to bother about the numerical problem that come under this chapter. There are various numerical problems in which we have to calculate the number of the particle, the number of the moles, that we have to understand properly. Now you have any problem? Yes, sir.
Sorry, we write U instead of G. No, sir, instead G.
So it concludes that in 1 mole of any substances there are 6.022 into 10 का power 23 particles.
बेटा किसी भी, चाहे कंपाउंड का हो, चाहे एटम का हो, चाहे आयन का हो, सबका वैल्यू अगर पार्टिकल के रूप में कहेंगे तो वो 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 ही होता है. इसके अलावा कुछ और नहीं हो सकता है. It is experimentally calculated value.
Sir, yes, experimentally.
U are not.
ये
रिलेशनशिप।
पहले बता चुके हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ यू वी आर यूजिंग द टर्म जी। यू मीन्स यूनिफाइड मास, यानी कि सबका मास मिला करके, जो मैं उस दिन एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था, दैट 4 स्टूडेंट, about the mass of the 4 students, the mass is taken together and that mass is known as the unified mass. But here we are not talking about the, you can say, collective mass. Here we can take the example of atom also, ion also, compound also. So in the constant of the mole concept, we always use the, you can say, mass with respect to the g. g means gram. सीधे उसको ग्राम में हम कह सकते डिफाइन करते हैं। वहां चेंज कुछ भी नहीं करना, यू के जगह आपको जी लगा देना और कुछ नहीं। जैसे मान करके चलिए आपका ये नाइट्रोजन का N2, व्हाट वाज द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एटम? 14, एंड अबाउट मॉलिक्यूल 14 into 2, और 14 into 2 is equal to 28। जस्ट अगर ये आपका मोलर मास या कह सकते हैं, इसकी चर्चा यहाँ पे हम करेंगे। आपकी किसी मोल कॉन्सेप्ट की अगर चर्चा करेंगे तो मोल कॉन्सेप्ट में हमें हमेशा 28 जी ही लिखना है, यू नहीं लिखना है। मगर अगर मॉलिक्यूलर मास की बात आती तो वहां पर हम क्या करते हैं, उसको यू लिखते हैं, बाकी कोई डिफरेंस नहीं। अभी गोटी
सर अगर ग्राम यूज करेंगे तो मोलर मास हो जाएगा ना?
कौन सा?
सर अगर ग्राम यूज कर देंगे तो मोलर मास हो जाएगा ना?
बेटा मोलर मास का भी मैं कुछ न्यूमेरिकल आपको दिखा दे रहा हूँ, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। इट्स ओके।
मोलर मास क्या होता है?
अभी बता दे रहे मोलर मास किसको कहते हैं। In this whole chapter, there will be various numerical, and all the numerical will be solved on the basis of few, you can say, or you can say mainly two of your, you can say, what is this? Formula, correct. 2 formula. Number 1 is, if you want to calculate number of moles, अगर हम पता करना चाहते हैं नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना है, लेट हमें पता करना है नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना है, और हमें गिवन मास दे रखा है, गिवन मास दे रखा है, और इसके अलावा मोलर मास जो हम पता कर सकते हैं, मोलर मास, मोलर मास। जैसे एक एग्जांपल लेकर के इसको हम देख लेते हैं। 52 ग्राम ऑफ हीलियम, 52 ग्राम ऑफ हीलियम टेल द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स। यहीं पे सीधे लिख देते हैं, टेल द नंबर ऑफ,
किसका बर्थडे है,
ऑफ मोल्स। Now see here, student, take care here. Here, one thing is given, number of moles we have to calculate, number of moles. Given mass is given 52 gram. It is given, no?
Yes, sir.
52 gram.
Yes, sir.
52 gram. And molar mass we are not knowing, but it is given that helium. What is the atomic mass of the helium?
For you.
No, sir.
4 un. यानी कि 4 gram. You will not say u, you will say g. That will be 4g.
Yes, sir.
Now that will be your molar mass. Now given mass upon molar mass, g will cancel with the g and 4 13
13 हो
gram.
जाएगा।
That means 13 mole will be your answer. Got it? 13 mole will be your answer. Have you got it? How to calculate the molar mass? जो एटम दे रखा हो, जो मॉलिक्यूल दे रखा हो, जो कंपाउंड दे रखा हो, उसका फॉर्मूला देख करके हमें मोलर मास निकाल लेना है। गिवन मास वो दे करके रखा होगा। you can easily calculate the moles, number of moles. Anybody have any doubt?
No, sir.
How to calculate molar mass?
How to calculate molar mass? अब ये भी तो बताया भैया, ये हीलियम है, हीलियम का मास तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ना, हमें पता है 4 है। जैसे वाटर अगर रहता है यहीं पे आपका मान करके चलिए 36 ग्राम, 36 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर नहीं हो पाएगा। 36 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर, कितना दे रखा है? 36 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर। कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स। अब बेटा गिवन मास यहाँ पे क्या है? गिवन मास कितना है?
36 ग्राम।
Correct. Given mass is 36 and molar mass. Now the second issue is molar mass. So here it is given water. What is the formula of the water? That is H2O.
H2O.
H2O. If we calculate it, the mass of hydrogen is 1. That means 1 into 2 plus mass of oxygen 16. Total will come 18.
18.
So your molar mass of water will be 18. So you will write here 18 gram.
2 molar.
Now 18 to the 36. 2 moles.
मोलर मास दोनों सेम है।
What happened molar mass?
सर मोलर मास मतलब दोनों सेम है।
Which molar mass है?
दोनों सेम है सर। मोलर मास
मोलर मास है?
मोलर मास और मॉलिक्यूलर मास में
नहीं भैया, मॉलिक्यूलर मास आपको पता है तो वही मोलर मास कहलाता है। The formula unit mass or molecular mass is the known as the, you can say, molar mass. Where sound is coming? May I mute your mobile or you will mute yourself? Decide it yourself. It will be better. Now, the second, I think if you have to calculate the number of moles, you can easily calculate it if you are knowing the given mass and the molar mass. Now, if you have to calculate the number of particles, then how you can calculate it? So we can take one more example of, you can say, number of particles. Like the first case, as we have taken about the helium, the same. Calculate the number of particles in helium atom if the given mass is 52 gram. Now we have to use here one more formula that is somewhat extended. Number one is your given mass upon molar mass into Avogadro number. that will be number of particles. Have you got it? Now, what is the given mass? What is the given mass here?
52 gram.
52 gram. Very correct. 52. And what will be the molar mass?
4 gram.
4. Correct. 52 gram and 4 gram. The same question I am repeating here. 4 into 13. That will come as 13 moles. 13 moles आएंगे ना? Now with the 13 moles, you have to multiply Avogadro number. That is 6.0 10 to the power 23. What will be the answer? Number of particles. What will be the answer? Calculate it.
Yes.
78 point.
Calculate it. I think it would be 78 point something and then 10 to the power 20.
78.286.
Huh?
78.286.
78.
8. Yes, sir. 78.286.
78.286 into 10 to the power 23. That will be number of particles present in the, you can say, helium, 52 gram of the helium atom. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
So with the help of this also, you can calculate the number of particles also, not only the number of the moles, but also the number of particles. Huh? Number of particles.
सर 13 क्यों लिखे हैं?
Where 32?
सर 30 into 6.
022 into 10 to the power 23. The answer will, अभी तक कैलकुलेट नहीं किया आप लोग. 78.286
10 to the power 20.
into 10 to the power 23.
10 to the power 23.
That will be answer, number of particles. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have given the number of particles, अगर आपको number of particles दे दिया जाता है, and you are knowing the Avogadro number, then can you calculate the, you can say, number of moles?
Yes, sir.
Or if
We
the
can
number,
calculate it by dividing number of particles by Avogadro number. तो जितने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल दिए उसे एवोगाड्रो नंबर से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो मोल्स आ जाएगा सर।
हाँ मोल्स
सर नीचे अपन में क्या लिखा है?
कौन सा नीचे वाले में? कहाँ तक नहीं दिख रहा? सब तो दिख रहा है। ऊपर आंसर लिख दिए 78.286 into 10 to the power 23.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
524 upon
524. Where is 524? It is 52 gram. And it is 4 gram. Not 524. May I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Eight gram of oxygen molecule O2 calculate its mass. Now here we have to calculate its mass. So what we have to do, given mass upon molar mass into Avogadro number. The same thing, given mass upon molar mass given mass into molar mass into Avogadro number.
और यहाँ पर तो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स कैलकुलेट कर रहा है ना.
Okay,
आप
just see. Now,
नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स फाइंड होगा तो
Okay.
मास फाइंड
नंबर
करते
ऑफ पार्टिकल्स तो मास क्यों लिखा है सर? कैलकुलेट इट्स मास.
तो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स
here it is given the mass of the 8 gram. 8 gram is given mass.
Yes, sir.
8 gram is given mass. And oxygen molecule, what will be the mass of the oxygen molecule? 16.
32 हो जाएगा सर.
32 हो जाएगा सर.
32 सर.
32 gram. Now into
6.
Avogadro.
6.022.
Calculate its number of particles. Sorry. Now see what will happen. 8 gram and gram मिलकर 8 4 जा
4 जा
32
32.
यानी कि 1/4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now here if you will do 4 1 ja 4, here it will come and become 20. 4 5 ja
4 5.
20. 0 4 5 ja 20, and then again 5 will again come and into 10 to the power 23.
23.
So the answer will come 1.5055 into 10 to the power 23. Now if in some question, if you are knowing the number of moles, then if you are knowing the number of moles and you are knowing the, you can say molar mass, then can you calculate the, you can say given mass? Molar mass is equal to 0.5. It's okay. Molar mass of is 0.5 of N2 molecule. N2 molecule. Calculate the number of moles. The number of, calculate the mass, sorry. Now see here, molar mass is given here. The number of moles is given here. Molar mass, sorry. Number of moles, sorry. Number of moles. What is number of moles? 0.5 is equal to, given mass we are not knowing. we have to calculate it, mass. Molar mass, what will be the molar mass of nitrogen molecule
28.
N2? Huh?
28.
28. Now, if you will see it, it will cross multiply and it will
Yes,
come
sir.
as 28 into 0.5 is equal to mass. What will be the
14.
result? 14. G. अब यहाँ पर G लगाना पड़ेगा is equal to mass. So you have calculated the mass.
Mass.
Have you got it? So by applying that formula only, you can calculate the mass if the molar mass, you can say number of moles and the molar mass is given to you. Then the given mass can be calculated. समझ में आ रहा है? अगर आपका नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दिया गया हो और इसके अलावा आपका मोलर मास दिया गया हो तो आप आसानी से क्या पता कर सकते हैं? उसका गिवन मास या जो मास आना चाहिए वो पता कर सकते हैं. Have you got it?
सर
हाँ. Ask.
सर यदि नंबर ऑफ मोल्स एंड गिवन मास दिया हो तो मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैसे मालूम करेंगे?
क्या दिया हो? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दिया हो और गिवन मास दिया हो. फॉर्मूले के ऊपर
और
सेट
गिवन
कर दो.
मास दिया हो.
फॉर्मूले के ऊपर सेट कर दो.
ओके.
3 यूनिट दे रखा है ना.
ओके, सर.
कोई भी चीज का अगर 3
हाँ.
यूनिट दे रखा है और आपको 2 यूनिट पता है तो तीसरा यूनिट तो निकल जाएगा.
ओके,
Have you
सर.
got it? हाँ? Tomorrow I will start one more thing. Is there any doubt in this chapter?
No.
Any topic?
No, sir. No, sir.
काम चल जा
Because
पोल कराता चलो नहीं
some of the students are
Sure.
saying about the formula of the compound. Simple formula
Yes,
of the
sir.
compound.
ओके, सर.
Is there any
Formula,
doubt?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Formula.
Have you anybody have the doubt?
Sir, 28.
What 20?
सर कैसे 28 आ गया?
कौन सा? This one. So
Yes,
अभी
sir.
तक ये 28. What is the given here? N2. What is the mass of nitrogen? 14, no? And there is 2 nitrogen, then 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Then calculation of formula. Everybody have understood this?
सर ZnO में नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर मास क्या होगा?
मैं आज इसको डिस्कस नहीं करूंगा. आई विल डिस्कस इट टुमारो. हैव यू गॉट इट? बट इफ यू हैव द प्रॉब्लम देन यू कैन से हु हैव द प्रॉब्लम, देन आई विल डिस्कस.
Chemical,
अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट डिस्कस इट.
sir, chemical formula.